There she goes, she's the one for me. We got the kind of love that a blind man can see. She's my all in all, and she's my everything. She's my seasons and my reason. She's my summer, she's my winter, she's my spring.
Hi, my name is Michael Spector. I was in the market to relocate to Austin, so I found a home in South Congress. And from there, I needed to hire an interior designer. And when I found Komal and saw all of the work she had done on her website, kind of case studies, I was intrigued. I really liked the style. I liked the diversity in the different things she did, so I reached out to her, and that's when we first made a connection. Working with Komal has been wonderful for me because I am also in the professional services industry and have been for 30 years. And so I've worked with a lot of professionals, whether it's doctors, lawyers, accountants, other advisors, and Komal ranks among the top in terms of professionalism, service, quality. She takes feedback incredibly well. She's a great listener. She executes, she says. She's going to do something, she does it. It's wonderful. And so working with Komal has truly been really a great pleasure for me because she's able to kind of figure out who you are, what you want, and how to curate your property in the style that she actually helps pull it out of you, right? And so I used her in my first home, and there wasn't even a momentary thought about if I'm using her for my current home. And then now we have a third property on its way that Komal's already helping to consult. One of the things that's most important to me about the spaces that I live is the art. And Komal kind of shares this passion with me, and we both really enjoy supporting local artists. So whichever room I'm in, whichever space I'm in, having some parochial local art that really inspires me, helps me to be more creative and puts me sort of at ease, is something that's very important to me. And so Komal has really helped me find a variety of local artists, from sculpture to paint, just a variety of local artists I've been able to select from that have really helped make my space feel like home and unique to me. This experience with Komal in both houses has been wonderful. I would absolutely and have referred to my friends, colleagues, anyone that needs a really high-end, great professional relationship that's creative. I love using her. Highly recommend it. It's just been a wonderful process. I will say also, the house is never quite done. I always have something, some need that I want, or maybe something that I'm thinking about that I may want to change, and I find Komal's always available to me. So it starts out with a big project, but then the relationship continues. I really appreciate her availability to that process.